You spoke about synchrotrons. Do you have a favorite one? For whatever reasons, you don't have to disclose your reasons, of course. Do you have a favorite one? You don't have to. I'm just curious.
I think it would be ESAF in Grenoble in France, because it's just so beautiful there.
Yeah.
It's in a valley with the mountains around it, and
it's just breathtaking, right?
Yeah. No, that's an amazing place.
Fair enough. Okay, that one.
And they also have the cheese fondue that I love.
Oh my God, yes. Oh, now is the time for cheese fondue. Winter is coming.
Yeah.
Do you have any beam times coming up anytime soon?
Actually, not right now. I've just been on 2, and now, a little bit more relaxed. Yeah.
Drop me a line next time when you have a beam time at Grenoble, and then I can join you guys as like to record videos and interview you all for science communication.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Or maybe half kidding.